Mihindo here. I'm today going to do a review on some 2024 Celtos window guards I recently purchased on Amazon. I recently purchased this beautiful 2024 Celtos, and I wanted to get some wind guards to put on the vehicle so that I could protect myself from rain and from heavy wind and whatnot, and just to make the car look a little bad. I got these and I thought they would work for my car, but as you can see, they definitely do not. As you move in closer, you can see where they kind of overlap the rim of the mirror. These are not supposed to work this way on a vehicle. When putting in visors, they should go up under the brim of your car, of your windowsill. You should be able to put it in under the windowsill and it'd be seamless and not seen. These, when you put them in, you have to literally stick them on top of the window. And if you have to stick them on top of the window, that means that they could eventually fall off. They could eventually collect all kind of dirt and goo, and they just look cheap. I have to say I was very disappointed when I got these. Not to mention the back window itself, when using the guard, it does not fit on the window at all. When you go to put it on, this is what it looks like. You have the guard here, and then this is one end and this is the other end. It shouldn't fit over your window like this. This looks very cheap and tacky, and it's so big and large that it doesn't fit under the window sill like it should to provide a seamless fit. I do not recommend these for the 2024 Kia Celtos. I believe they need to revise it to a 2023 Celtos if it fits on that, but definitely not for my beauty that I recently got. Thank you, Amazon. Mihindo out.
Perfect fit for my Prius. From end to end.
Un Toyota Yaris 2018. Los bumpers que yo he visto son de aquí hasta aquí. Entonces aquí tenemos un problema. Mira lo largo donde llega. No cuadra. Tampoco cuadra, mira. Aquí cuadra. Aquí cuadra. Por aquí no cuadra, aquí está despegado. ¿Por qué? Porque mira el marco que tiene la puerta. Y esto no lo tiene. O lo pego aquí en esta esquina o lo pego arriba en esta esquina. Aquí todo esto se queda despegado.
Y no queda.
No cuadra, no cuadra, no cuadra.
So I'm not sure how obvious it is, but right here there's like a plastic lip, and it doesn't quite transition smooth to the frame of the door. But the actual plastic also doesn't transition, so there's a gap right there between where it actually connects. You can kind of see through, so it clears up there, and you can see right through. So I'm concerned that water's going to come down this edge and then just fall into there, and then slowly fill this up and break the glue contact here slowly.
Slap these on.
Este artículo vino sin pega. Los demás todos vinieron bien, menos este. Vino sin pega.